Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by granting microphone access and picking the input device so Excel hears you clearly. Open the workbook and click the cell where you want text to appear. This anchors output. Once done, turn on Excel's Dictate button or your OS voice access tool. Speak a short test phrase to confirm recognition and adjust mic gain if words repeat or drop. Make sure language and regional speech settings match your accent so commands like new line and punctuation work reliably. Now you'll dictate actual content and navigation. Speak in concise chunks and name punctuation, say comma or % to avoid errors. To move, use explicit commands such as press tab or arrow down, and also you can say cell addresses like A2 to jump. For formulas, speak the equals sign and functions clearly. For example, equals sum open parenthesis A1 colon A5 close parenthesis. Make sure to verify numeric input format and use short pauses before commands so Excel distinguishes. Finish by proofing each cell and fixing any recognition mistakes. You can redictate a single cell or edit with keyboard. Once formulas are entered by voice, test results to confirm proper syntax and range references. If words keep misfiring, check the microphone and system drivers, reduce background noise, and confirm the speech language matches the document. If problems persist, restart the dictate feature or your voice service and retrain the speech profile. This often resolves persistent recognition errors and improves accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.